Alright, we're going to take the stator cover off and get to the actual water pump itself. What the heck? Time out. Alright, find the correct Allen wrench that fits these. I actually popped that last one. I had water coming out of here. Yep. God dang it. Been some water coming out of there for a minute. No good. Good thing all this is aluminum, except for the bolts. Alright, looks like got a retainer right there. We'll go ahead and get this stuff off. Probably have to impact this off. Anyway, that's the stator cover. We'll go get the other cover off. We'll have to drain the transmission fluid. Alright, so this Allen bolt will come off right here, and we'll be able to get to our retainer. Hopefully that belt will come off somewhat easily. And we'll get to the other side and drain the fluid. I went ahead and sprayed this whole thing out with carb cleaner. Carb cleaner should knock all the water out. Put the parts over in the box. And that's holding our bearing in. It's got some carb cleaner in one of my cuts. It says once you get this off to heat it. I have a heat gun, that's all I got. I said to use a torch. Anyway, get that off and I'll show you the other side in a second.